everyone, welcome to another video. I decided to film an unboxing video today. I'm so excited to show you guys my new Maison Margiela Tabi boots. So I have the box right here. This is the box that the shoes came in. I ordered my shoes from Giglio.com. It's an Italian boutique. I'm gonna put the link on the description box below so you guys can check it out. And they also have other luxury items as well. I actually got really lucky with these pairs of shoes because they were very limited in sizing. I'm so excited to open this box because I have been wanting this pair of Tabi boots for a really long time. They're the light brown color. I ended up getting these shoes for less than $500 because they had a sale going on. They were originally, I think, $680, I believe, and they had a 20% off sale because they were on sale, so that deducted the price went down 20%, so less than $500. So So it does come in the original Maison Margiela shoe box right here. I ended up getting a size 37 and a half. So that's the equivalent to US 7.5. I ranged from 7.5 to 8. They didn't have a size 8, otherwise I would have gotten an 8. But I already own a pair of Tabis in 7.5, so and they fit fine even with a pair of socks on. They fit perfectly fine, and I know that the leather will stretch over time, so I wasn't too concerned about the sizing. So yeah, so because I ranged between those two sizes, I was okay with the 7.5. The cool things about when you receive a pair of Tabi boots is that they come with these covers, these shoe covers that are very stretchy. I like to save these for when I travel and I'm packing my shoes into my luggage, so save these. They come in handy. So this is what they look like. Oh my goodness. It's like a camel color. Let me take this stuffing out. This is what it looks like. Really soft leather. They're so beautiful. This is what the heel looks like. I love the round heel. And this is just such an iconic shoe. A lot of people like to make fun of it and they like to say that it's a fetish shoe, which I really don't care what people call it. I think it's such a very unique looking shoe. Now I feel like my collection is complete because I do have a pair in white, but the white ones are like covered in white paint. And I have a pair in black. Actually, you know what? Let me go get them. I'm gonna show you guys my other pairs. These are the white ones here. They're actually black, but they're covered in white paint. So eventually the paint is gonna peel off, or it's gonna chip off, and it's supposed to give like this aged look. So that's intentional. This is what they look like. Same leather as the nude ones I just got. This is what they look like. These are 37.5 as well. The white ones are actually a 38, so that's a US size 8. And they both fit perfectly fine. So just a little... I'm gonna put these side by side. This is what they look like. They're so cool looking. They're amazing. I love these shoes, and they're surprisingly very comfortable to wear. I can walk in these shoes all day. Oh, I can't wait. I can't wait to wear these with a pair of blue jeans, light blue jeans. I feel like the contrast with the camel color will look amazing. I mean, look at that. The color is just so luxurious and the leather is so beautiful. What I like about the Tabi boots is that the older they get, I feel like the prettier they look. Something about them that makes them look more aged, more vintage, and a little more rugged, and I kind of like that look. I've seen a lot of pictures of people wearing like vintage Tabis from like the 2000s, even the 90s. Yeah, they just look amazing, and I'm so happy that my collection is growing and I was able to get these for a really good price. I love doing these unboxing videos for you guys just so you guys can get an idea of what these items look like. Yeah, so if you're in the market for a pair of Tabi boots, I highly recommend checking out Italian boutiques or going on list.com and just sign up for an account, and you get alerts for when these drop in price. Now, I know that Nordstrom has these for $980. I was so tempted to get them from Nordstrom because I do have the Nordstrom card and I get points. Almost $1,000 for a pair of Tabi boots just seemed out of the question for me because I don't know, there's such a I don't think they're a trendy shoe, so I felt no rush, no pressure to get them right away. I feel like these have been around since I was born. I'm already aging myself here, but these have been around since the late 80s, early 90s. So I told myself I'm gonna wait until I find them somewhere else where they're slightly less or maybe even half off. So I was able to get them for half off. The cool thing about the website where I purchased these from is that it already includes a duty fees. So it's coming from Italy, but the fees are covered. Now, the only thing is that where I bought these, the white and the black, the duty fees were not included. So when DHL was shipping them out to me, I did have to pay duty fees. So just keep in mind when you're shopping from foreign websites that you may or may not be responsible for the duty fees. Always make sure to read the terms and conditions or the fine print or wherever you find like additional information about the shipping. Yeah, so just keep an eye out for things like that because I didn't know I had to pay duty fees for some of the luxury items that I've been buying from Italy. So yeah, either way, I still saved a lot of money when I bought these two right here. Alright guys, so that's it for my video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!